TCL introduces the QM7K Smart TV, QD Mini LED, next-gen picture quality, and premium sound. TCL, a rapidly growing US TV brand, launched the QM7K Precise Dimming Series, a QD Mini LED smart TV with upgraded technology. It offers precise picture quality, improved HDR, and Bang & Olufsen audio, ensuring an exceptional home theater experience for all entertainment enthusiasts. QD Mini LED technology improves brightness, contrast, and color accuracy with mini LED backlights and quantum dot tech, eliminating halo effects for lifelike images and cinema-grade quality in home theaters. The QM7K, featuring TCL's Halo control system, enhances color accuracy and grayscale precision. Its advanced LED chip and micro lens provide sharper contrast and minimal blooming for crystal-clear images. With HDR 3000 brightness, the QM7K greatly enhances HDR content, making movies and shows more vivid and realistic. The dynamic light algorithm, DLA, smartly processes content to optimize brightness and contrast levels for every scene. The QM7K boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate and game accelerator 288, achieving 288 Hz VRR. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro ensures ultra-smooth, tear-free gameplay, ranking it among the fastest displays. TCL incorporates Bang & Olufsen audio in its TVs, offering cinematic sound with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X for immersive audio during movies, gaming, or music streaming. The TCL QM7K, powered by Google TV, enables hands-free control of smart home devices with voice commands. With Art Mode and Art Gallery, it turns screens into digital canvases when idle.
Go to GearBrain for more information.